Uh-oh, here we go. Ooh, damn. A lot of accidents going on today. Oh, welcome back. Oh, got a green light. Been a bunch of accidents today, so we're gonna try to take it easy out here. Easy-ish anyway. But we're gonna head out, get some food, maybe hit the mountain. You know, some days you're not really feeling it, and that's okay. Just take it easy, you know. Oh, I think he might be burning oil. Oh, he's totally burning oil. You know, if you're not feeling it, don't push it. That's how people get hurt, and you know, it's okay to not be doing a million miles an hour all the time. And dude, another accident. Not a good look. I don't know what it is today. A good reminder. What is this? This can't be another one. Oh my, another one. Yeah, sometimes when you start seeing accidents like that all around, it's like it's a sign, man. I believe in that. If you're seeing things that like a bunch of accidents, just take it easy. You know, look twice, basically, right? Look left and right twice before turning. On days when there just seems to be something in the air. I mean, that's real, right? When you're just not feeling it, or you think something's a little bit off, trust that gut instinct and just chill. Really, just take it easy. Don't get caught up into whatever that energy is, because you can get hurt. And sometimes I call it superstition or whatever, but I believe in it. So I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy the ride. See what I'm saying? People are bugging a little bit. I don't know, man. Some days you're having a long day, you're just not feeling it, and that's okay, right? Not every day is gonna be like feeling chipper. There's this crazy expectation that people have, maybe it's because of social media or whatever, that every day you're supposed to be happy and excited, and I just wasn't feeling that way today. You know, I mean, I had a long day at work and whatever, and that's okay, right? But hopping on the bike is always, for me, like a little bit meditative, a nice way to kind of just get out of that daily grind and get my head straight. You know, again, that's part of the reason that I ride. It's a mental health thing. We're gonna hit the canyon, I think, and then we're going down to Duke's. If you're ever in Malibu area, Duke's is a delicious little spot right on the ocean, named after the surfing legend Duke something. I don't remember his last name. Definitely worth checking out. Ooh, just got back from eating some fish tacos at Duke's. There we go. This headlight is like a laser beam. Man, it is absolutely gorgeous out right now. Ooh, shooting flames. Pascal on the MT-09 thing really does sound good. I know I said it in the last video, but sounds good. If you're not subscribed yet, do that. Like, leave a comment, all that jazz. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video drop, all that good stuff. Alright, cruising through Santa Monica, heading down to Abbot Kinney. Whoop, looks like Ed got left behind here. And nothing like a nighttime cruise through the city on a beautiful night. There's no better way to explore the city. Ooh, a little McLaren action. Have Kenny a pretty cool spot down here, and this is technically Venice, I guess. Got the Medmen popping, little weed spot, if that's your thing.